I'm about wore out. It was up till 6:30. Garden of corn. I'll go back to bed for a while. Tomato plants are doing really good. Oh yeah, I haven't put a bowl around almost a week. I think I eradicated them. Might actually get potatoes out of that little patch there. Wind is blowing. Should start raining soon. We need it. We need it bad. Corn's still intact. Uh-oh. Barn swallows need some eggshells. Now it's raining. You can hear it. Well, WNEP was wrong. It said 520. Oh, we need it. Popping already. Now it's coming down. The wind was just a whipping. We need this. Don't really like what it does when the wind goes like crazy, hitting the corn. So I'm gonna have to guard the corn from inside tonight if it survives the wind. Holy moly. Whoa. Made it this far. Jeepers. Look at that wind. A really big bang of lightning. We need this, but I don't like the wind. Corn is taking a beating. I'm gonna focus on it. I'm supposed to start until 20 after 5. I guess we won't be cooking out tonight, huh, Pippi? What do you think of that noise? That's okay, I got leftovers. Oh, that air feels nice coming in that window right now. Had a casualty. A stalk laying on the ground. I'm not having good luck with corn this year. Dang it. There it is. I'm going to do an experiment with it. Window's all wet. There's some roots there. I'm going to get down and dig a big hole and stick it in it and bury it. See if it lives. What do you think you're doing? That's nice air, ain't it, Heiny? That's nice air. You're a good girl. Do whatever you want. Will it survive long enough to give it the corn? Time will tell. I'm getting soaked.